comments.
So this is the old expanding nut, which sits around about here on the stem, just a little bit lower, in fact.
Yep.
And you can see this is where the pressure, Canyon are calling it a pressure line. I think it's a deformation in the carbon. You can clearly, it might be difficult to see in the video, but you can see in person, there's a clear, maybe 1 mil difference in material from the top and the bottom. You can feel it on the inside as well. I had to fight to get this under warranty. I have a couple I can show you which are cracked. I feel this could develop into something. Canyon didn't agree. Let me get this.
Yeah, this is the old detail, yeah?
That's the old one, and this is the new one. The new one will sit here on the top, so the stem has something to clamp against the whole way across. Whereas with the old one, it's sitting around here. So there's actually nothing. The stem, easy access stem. So the stem has 2 bolts and a gap. So only the 1 bolt has something to clamp on. The rest is just clamping on effectively empty space, which shouldn't be an issue, but for some reason it's causing issues. This is an example of one which has cracked. So you can see here it's cracked, and it does have the same pressure line you have. So I believe you can see right there, that's literally identical to what you have. So in my opinion, if you had kept on riding this, this could have happened to you.
Okay.